Say hi. All right, we're on our way to drop off. I'm on my way to drop off Honey at my aunt's house because we got to be at the airport in a few hours over in Denver. We live in Colorado Springs, and the airport from here all the way over there is about an hour and 20 minutes. So we're going to Vegas. It's 6 of us. I'm leaving Jet. That's my little 1-year-old with the grandma. Only because if we do a couple shows, or if we do anything that, you know, as a kid, he's a baby, so he'll make noise. So we're gonna take you along. It's our first YouTube video, and I hope everything goes well. Here we go. What does it say, babe? Let's say it again.
Though an army may encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war may rise against me, in this I will be confident.
You see the airplane? Look. Wow. How you doing?
Rollers, fold it down and place it up here on this rack. Okay. Yes, 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5. Have a great flight.
You too, love. I got it, Mama. Can I help her real quick?
Yes, you can. Go ahead, kids. Come on, let's get in.
Come here.
You go.
You're good. Now, when it comes to renting cars, we always go with Alamo Car Rental. We like going straight to our car, not waiting in line, and not speaking with any rental agents. We ended up going with a Hyundai Santa Fe. These were the other options, but we'll do a walk around, make sure everything's good. No damages. There's no scratches, no dents. I think we're good. Let's go. There you go. So this resort was recently renovated and it's still going through renovations right now. It used to be the Hard Rock Casino and now it's the Virgin Hotels. Just under $200 for a night. You can stay in the room that we have, and I'll show you that towards the end of the video. But overall, it wasn't bad at all. The beach entry pool was being renovated while we were here, but we'd love to come back in the summertime. Can't go wrong with a 24-hour pizza. And this looks like a really nice Italian restaurant. It's one of the 12 restaurants on the property. I've got my chauffeur driving us to the Bacchanal Buffet at Caesar's Palace. It's gonna be good. No, you're good. On the roll. That looks good. I'm listening to that. That looks really good. Thank you. Oh, that's huge. Pickles. Cheeses. Huh? Breads. Stay away from the breads. Make you full. We're here to eat.
Yes. And mushrooms? Okay, one. So what'd you get? What is this?
It's a meatball. What is that?
This looks like baked ziti
And then that's chicken.
or some type of,
No,
I forgot,
I
yeah.
forgot how to pronounce it.
Yeah, look, this is stuffed
Yeah.
shell. Grilled lamb T-bone. That looks. You wanted to get one of these, like. Piece of yours. Can I try the prime rib? Just a small piece.
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very enjoy.
Busas. Baja fish taco. Asada. Okay. Look at the line to get in. We thank God we have reservations, because that line is long. Goes all the way to the back.
Mom, take off your shoes. And I even look out
Not bad, not bad.
We did it all by. You guys should what? Wait.
Okay, that's cool.
Wait, Dad. Keep it like.
You can see the reflection of the sphere
Yeah, that's how.
What do you mean you
That
can see the
was the
reflection of
only
the
way I
sphere?
could see it.
right there.
Oh, you're
that.
right. Yeah, you can. On the other tower.
Guys,
So if you were in that far corner, you'd be able to see the full sphere. And you would actually see the whole skyline. It's cool.
oh,
They have a beach in the summer.
let me show you how
I think they're redoing it.
So you pull this up.
All right, let's test the bed out. How's the bed?
I can do it.
Oh, yeah. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
How are you?
How are you?
Can I help you?
It's bedtime.
Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. Look at Kitty. Good morning. You guys want a picture? Everybody need a picture? You want me to hold? Do I do a picture for you? Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, guys.
Woo, look at that.
Look at that
Cheese
bowl.
bowl.
Whoa. That's a big one.
Awesome.
Honey chipotle. All right, guys. God bless.
Amen.
Enjoy.
Thank you.